It's a cool, windy morning and I'm outside the Mehrangarh Fort in Jodhpur, which is the centerpiece for tourists traveling to the city, which has only recently gained prominence as one of Rajasthan's more favored travel destinations. It is also where the hotel awarded second place on TripAdvisor's list of best bargain hotels in India is situated. Ratan Vilas is, as one reviewer on TripAdvisor adequately describes it, a tranquil piece of colonial India. A long driveway leads up to the circular front lawn of the building. A stately drawing room doubles as the lobby and opens into an enclosed dining area. The 20 rooms centered around an open courtyard are all spacious and elegantly appointed with big bathrooms. Royalty and hospitality have always gone hand in hand amongst the Rajputs. And like most royal families in Rajasthan, the owners of Ratan Vilas too have opted to convert their family home into a hotel. But unlike big palaces, which are now run by major hotel chains, the bargain here is in living with the extended royal family, sharing their roof and their history.
My great-grandfather Maharaj Ratan Singh Ji, for his love for horses and polo, decided to move out of Rauti and make a house which was close to the polo ground. And that's how this house came into existence. He made this house in 1920. All this while, my father didn't play much of polo, but then, he decided to use the premises for stud farming. So in my growing up years, we had our horses and stables and paddocks and everything here. About a decade ago, we decided to convert this house into a hotel.
Old black and white photographs from the family archives lining every room and corridor frame windows of capture time for the guests. Every picture is personal, and the family is quick with a story to match the brilliant jewels of the dashing men and women who are so much a part of their heritage.
This is a very interesting family photo, about 100 years old, Aisha. One of my granduncle's marriage. As you can see, he's about 12 or 14 years of age. And the most interesting part about this photo is the pump shoes, because that time they were wearing all traditional dresses, but jutis had probably made an exit, and so they used to wear these very cute, wonderful pump shoes under their jodhpurs.
It has little bows on it.
Yes, definitely. This is perhaps the most unique and the best photograph that we have in our collection. Maharaja Sardar Singh Sahab of Jodhpur offering a drink to Maharani Sahab Hadi Sahab. And the best part about this photo is the jewelry. I think at this point with the poshak and the jewelry, she's probably carrying about 10 to 15 kgs of extra weight on herself.
It is quite unique. I mean, for those days, the drink and the hand.
It is.
Even the legs sort of creeping in close.
It is.
But I think my favorite part is her posture. The way she's sitting and
very
looking
regal.
Back at him,
yes.
like defiantly. Right?
Yes, very regal.
Beautiful shot.
Outdoors and horses were not only very popular with the men, but even ladies participated with equal zest.
Is that a girl?
That's the Princess of Jodhpur, actually, riding a beautiful big thoroughbred charger, and she's dressed up in Jodhpur Lancers attire. So that's the dress for Jodhpur Lancers.
Owned and run by a family of avid polo players, horses are a big part of Ratan Vilas hospitality. The hotel offers its guests a chance to get better acquainted with their favorite animals and organize horse riding lessons with the riding school Maharaja Gaj Singh Sports Foundation, Jodhpur. Meet Speed, she's my newest travel companion, and for guests like me who'd like to sneak in a spot of riding while being given access to Jodhpur's new polo grounds, she's handily available. And on winter afternoons, when the parking lots of these polo grounds are crammed with Bentleys and Buicks, then guests at Ratan Vilas get a free spot on the royal guest list. And a good traveller knows a good bargain when she sees one. Back at the hotel, the most charming part of the property are its lawns, and obviously all the birds and squirrels that share this residence agree. The spotlessly clean porch offers inviting glimpses into separately hedged gardens and lawns, promising guests their own privacy. with everything else it offers, the 20-odd very affordably priced rooms at Ratan Vilas are undoubtedly a bargain. But what puts it in award-winning league is an attitude of hospitality that doesn't come with a price tag. One couple reviewing this property on TripAdvisor narrate an instance when 2 nights after checking out, they returned to this hotel to kill time before a flight. They say, and I quote, "This was where the hotel really excelled. We were instantly recognized and offered the use of a transit room with bed and bathroom to rest and freshen up. This was 2 days after we had paid and checked out." Now the exclamation at the end of that review, that is a bargain. I'm in Cochin, where the hotel awarded the #1 spot on TripAdvisor's list of best bargain hotels in India is located. Such Home is a small homestay and is by far the best bargain in terms of price points, but also working in its favor is a great location just a stone's throw away from the Arabian Sea. This is Saj Home. It doesn't look really promising from the outside, but then some of the best bargains are also the best disguised. Like all other guests, I'm welcomed by the owner Saj. Having read the reviews on TripAdvisor makes him something of a celebrity in my eyes. Hi Saj. Hi. So good to meet you. Since most travelers can't stop raving about his hospitality. And I'm just in time for breakfast.
Oh, this is the breakfast area.
Okay.
You are in time.
I am.
Please take your seat, please.
Oh, I'm in time for breakfast? Excellent. Is that part of my bargain?
I'll say local stuff for you.
Excellent. Okay. Hey.
Hi.
Is that the house special?
This house special pineapple juice.
Sit.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, so this is the big secret that I've heard about?
Oh, yeah. People are talking a lot about this, yeah.
Oh my God, Saj, that is truly awesome.
Thank you.
This is not pineapple juice. What else have you put in that?
Nothing else. It's just pineapple. Fresh pineapple. No water in it, actually. It's pure pineapple.
My God, it's like taking a whole sipful of tropical India in one sip.
Really?
It's really good.
Thank you very much.
So you have to tell me how you make this.
Oh, that's my business secret.
It's your business secret?
Yeah, business secret.
So you won't tell me?
Oh, please.
Saj won't tell me the secret of his pineapple juice because, you know, it's a business secret. Very well. Also on the menu for me was a local Keralite dish called puttu.
Yummy?
It's so coconutty.
Thank you very much.
You
like coconuts, yeah?
It's tropical India. You can't come to South India and not like coconuts.
So go ahead and enjoy it. I'll show you the rooms later on. Okay?
Thank you. Well, it's quite clean, comfortable, well lit, reasonably spacious, especially for the price they're charging. Has air conditioning and also a television for those really bored evenings on your vacation if you have any. I think the old-fashioned cabinets and the round doors lend it a nice old-world charm, and also the best part of the room is through here. Cozy, well-lit balconies get lots of sun and act as the perfect vantage point for you to watch Cochin as it bustles about its life in the street. Well, as bargains go, this is definitely a great find, and it doesn't stop there. Saj Home is also awarded 2nd place by travelers on TripAdvisor's list of the hotels with the best service in India. But that is another episode, same place, same time. You know where to find us. To view the complete list of awarded hotels, log on to www.tripadvisor.in/traveler's choice.